to our panel of legislators, to the government side of the House, and to my colleagues. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We are faced with a motion that this House believes that Malacanang should intercede in PAL Labor Row. Now, why should Malacanang intercede? Specifically the President. Yes, it is his responsibility because he is the leader of the nation. But why should he himself? Why not let Adone, the Department of Labor and Employment? Don't you think that the President is hesitant that Dole cannot make its responsibilities and duties to intercede between PAL and the laborers, between the management and the employees? Why should the President be the one there standing, acting to solve the problem? And how will the President intercede? What will he do to make or to clarify and to solve the case between the laborers and the employment? Yes, Lucian owns 90% of the Philippine Airlines, and the government has a share of 10%. Sit down, sir. Yes. The workers of PAL. But after the starters post, they went already back to working, and now PAL is on its back to business. And the mass termination and exploitation, don't you think that if I am a pilot, and if I will work for PAL, there's already an agreement between the pilot and what is his benefits to that of the company. So if I sit down, so if I should assure that it does not meet my needs and it will not be good enough for me, then why not I say Blue Pacific? We still have an aviation company, not just PAL. And you stated that you should, that it is the responsibility of the President. Yes, again and again, it is his responsibility because he is the President. He is the head of the nation. And the economic is at risk. Yes, we could see to the fact, sit down, we could see to the fact that the economy is at risk. And we also will see to the fact that there is a need to intercede, but only at a minimal level. Only after the law cannot be solved within the management and the employment. When the two parties agree to have an intercession, then the government must participate, but not intercede. How will this happen? As you can see, why not the employment and the management of PAL itself and its members solve the problem? Why not then and there? Why should the President intercede? Don't tell me that if there's a problem in all of the companies in the Philippines, then the President should act as a mediator. Not just absorbing one case of a company and another. How about the petroleum industry? Should he also interfere? Ladies and gentlemen, let us remember that we have what we call the laissez-faire, or the let-alone policy of private corporations. And let us not forget, sit down, sir, that in Article 12, Section 16, the government shall not provide for the formation, organization, or regulation of private corporations. It is clear already. So, what this side of the House is trying to say, yes, we could see to the fact that there will be a need of intercession, that the government should intercede, and it is already happening. How? The Department of Labor and Employment did something. They acted on that already. The President has a lot of things to do, rather than solve this one by one. Not all the time that if you have a problem, that yes, he is responsible, but he also designated departments. We have the different departments in the government to act and to handle cases of the different parts of different enterprises and different and employees, when the two parties agree to have intercession, then the government must participate but not intercede. Again, it is a private corporation. What if Lucian won't allow the president to intercede? It's my company. Let alone policy. I have my rights too. So that is it. Listen very carefully, this side of the house. There is a let alone policy. And there are articles saying that the government should not interfere and not intercede to that of what the company, especially in private sectors, that the government should not intercede. And so we won't allow that the president should intercede, but the government has done its part already to give us, the president has done its part already, acting and giving responsibility to that of the community. And again, we concede, but we want it only on a minimal level. And as much as possible, the problem should be handled within PAL, because the president has a lot of things to do. And let us, again, this side of the house believes that, and we can see that there's an intercession, but as much as possible, we don't want the president to be part of the intercession, especially because we are talking about a private company here. Let us not forget the articles and, of course, the laissez-faire. Good morning, everyone. Thank you.
Here, here.